Pronounce names.
This is the name that nobody saw coming. It looks soft, elegant, almost obscure. And then Pokémon happened. Suddenly, millions of people were seeing this name for the first time and immediately asking this same question. How do you say that? Is it Jacinthe, Ja-seent, Ya-sant?
It's French, and it comes from hyacinth, the flower. And in French, it's pronounced
Jacinthe,
Ja-sant.
Ja-sant.
One silent letter, one nasal vowel. Maximum confusion. That's why Ja-sant exploded, not because it was common, but because it was suddenly unavoidable. Searches spiked, comment sections melted down, pronunciation guides popped up everywhere. Ja-sant didn't just trend, it became a global pronunciation event. That's why Ja-sant became the name of the year 2025. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next linguistic deep dive. And if you want to be sure you're saying every name correctly, check out our website at pronouncenames.com for thousands of names. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.